Shipping and the wider maritime sector plays a huge role, as you all know, in the world. 90% of all goods are carried by sea, and our industry, I think, does a great job, and we're very proud of it, but we suffer from a lack of awareness problem, and that is the one thing that an event like this will help us to address. Today and tomorrow, we had a total of about 4,000 people will have been on board this lovely Pacific Legacy and the VOS Prince moored alongside. Both large platform supply vessels showing real life what it is like to be on a vessel of this type. The public probably normally associates shipping with more routine deck officer, engineer type work on board ships on container and tanker and bulk, whereas this particular segment is much of a niche. And we wanted to showcase the offshore marine sector because of the diversity and specialization that it offers, and the many subsections that the industry has, be it ROV, remote operated vehicles, survey ships, and so on. As such, beside the exhibitors, we have 81 ship ambassadors who've been having a crash course training, I understand, in how these sophisticated vessels work, and they will help to share their stories with the public at large.